Chelsea Silverman here at Juiceteria, and I am so energized because I just had some of these energy protein bars that I'm gonna show you how to make, and they are so delicious. They're great for after the gym, they're great for a snack, so check it out. We're gonna use some dates and some of the water. Boom, right in there. And we're gonna take our protein powder. I am using a hemp protein powder, which is plant-based. It's anti-inflammatory. It's clean protein that will get you toned. And there's a little bit of cinnamon right on top that I enjoy for some flavor. And cinnamon is known to be very good for blood sugar levels. And then we're gonna go ahead and take some ground flax. And we'll put in some ground flax. And so we have our dates, our protein powder, a little bit of cinnamon, our ground flax. So now for the energy part of it, we're gonna take our maca powder and we'll pour some of that in. I love maca, and it's also really good for libido. So after a workout, you can have extra energy for whatever you have in mind. And then you can go ahead and take your coconut oil and slab that right inside. And then we're ready to blend it up. I'm gonna add just a little bit of water to get some movement going. And in no time, y'all will be energized. So once you have the mixture as a dough, you can grab a spoon and get it out. You can either put it in a mixing bowl or again get your hands nice and dirty, and you can make it into whichever shapes you want. And you can make it into whichever shapes you want. I'm gonna go ahead and do like a nice little circle. And then what you'll have to do is put it in the refrigerator so it hardens, and then it will be a nice, delicious protein bar that will give you so much energy, great for after the gym, repair, recovery. I'll even show you how good it is. It's really good. Definitely needs to go in the refrigerator, but it's very good. So enjoy, here's to your health, and have the best day ever.